attitude, extend, attitude, extend, and attitude, extend, attitude, extend. Now from attitude to all the way down. Then from here, gonna 3 puffs, 3, 2, 1. Then from back to front, back to front, and attitude, and 3, 2, 1, and forward, and extend, and 3, 2, 1, and you rise, and circle your leg, and attitude. 3, 2, 1, and touch floor, extend the leg, up, 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 and all the way, legs back to front. Yes, yes. 2 more. Then could it change? And change the other side. So first one, you remember side, side, side. So knee, ankle. So your knee doesn't come forward. So side, ending. No analyzer? No, you doing. Use your glute up, glute. Up, 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 up. Now attitude, attitude, diagonal back and heels higher. Up, 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 up. No, Kathy, your knee opening. Your knee opening. Use glute, working glute. This is not the knee. So you have to use glute. Left. And from here, and side, and back, and side. Passe. Oh. Yeah, much better. Yes. Good. So we're gonna do other side. But no, same side. So attitude, and gonna 3 attitude and come down, and 3, 2, 1, and come up, and lift your leg, and attitude, 3, 2, 1. And down, and 3, 2, 1, and from back to front, attitude. And when you floor touching, straight leg, 3, 2, 1, And 2 more. Yes, okay, so come to the floor. So now bend, touch, 1 lift and 1 bottom. Bend, 1 touch, 1 lift, 1 bottom. Bend, 1 touch, 1 lift and bottom. Bend, 1 touch, 1 lift, 1 bottom. So now I'm gonna do move on. So now bend, 1 touch and 2 lift and 1 bottom. So 1 touch, 2 and bottom. So next one, 1 touch, 3, 2, 1 and bottom. Bend, touch, 3, 2, 1 and bottom. Bend, 1 touch, 4, 3, 2, 1 and bottom. Keep on going up to 10. Analisa, you have to bend the knee. Try not to, everyone, Ivana, Justin, Analisa, don't bend your body like this. Your body straight, not this. Yeah. You have to really use your thigh muscle. Yes. Are you increasing to 7, 8, 9, 10? Yes. If you finish 10, have a rest. Or Francis and you can have a rest. Yeah. Woo. So we're gonna do together. So now we're gonna add arm. So down and 1 up and 2 lift. Then third bottom arm, you're gonna lift your arm. 2 and arms. 1, 2 up and arm. So arms up. So you can reach up. You can a little bit if you want. Yes, challenge yourself. You can even jump if you want. Yes, you should feel your abductor. Yes, 2 more. Good. So now we're gonna use ball. We're gonna use ball. Can you see? Yeah. So now, so bring your, if you have a ball under your knee, so all fours, and side, and back, and have a look your opposite arm, and bend, and arms up, and bring here, 1, 2, 3, and side, and up, touch, hold, and up, and side, and up, and bend, and 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes. Did you get it? Yes. Yes. Side. Now side 10. Side only. 4, 3, 2, and back only. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now here. Now this time. And circle. And circle. And circle. Circle. And 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10. Then come down and change. And side, and back, and 3, 2, 1. And side, and back, and 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Yes. Five more. You're gonna go side only. Side, 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 side. Now back, 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 back. So, and circle, circle, circle. 7, 6, and 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. So now your ball and between your top and forward, and forward, and forward, and forward, and forward, and forward, forward, and forward, forward, and 5, 4, and 3, and 2. You can stay here, or if you have energy, and up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. So choose the option. And 4, and 3. 2 more. Last one. Yeah. Okie dokie. So, Frances, you can lift on the sofa. Then you can do, while you're doing, you can do core change or stretch. Okay, other people, rely on the mat. So, we're going to do core. So easy option is, or open. So your legs open. So you open. Or this is the easy option. Choose the option. Or you can keep same one. So down, down, up. You're going to come up at the same time. So same time. Same time. Same time. Try to touch your foot. So touch your foot. Four, 3, and 2, 1. Yes, good. So you're going to come to side. So option 1 here, then you can do, this is option 1. Or option 2, option 3. Choose the option. Option 1, 2, 3.